Leia and Ray are over in the pine straw, which is their favorite spot when they get to be out. We have Belle wandering around. And Moana. Can you turn around, Moana? Or are you just going to show me your fluffy end? Well, you are very fluffy. Here you are. And then Mulan's back here. And Ashame's going between the beds. Can you say hi, Ashame? And we've got Ahsoka, my Rhode Island Red, who has beautiful new feathers. Her feathers on her neck have just come in so beautifully. She eats a lot of grub terror grubs, so we know she has healthy feathers. So everybody's just kind of wandering around on this Saturday afternoon, pecking and scratching in the grass or the pine straw, or getting in around our garden beds. We've got to start getting stuff ready to plant for the spring. But happy Saturday.